Have you ever felt bloating after eating? Or constant fatigue? Or that strange mental fog where you just can't think clearly no matter how much coffee you drink? Most people blame it on stress, aging, or just having a busy life. But what if I told you, the real issue might be much deeper, inside your gut? There's a hidden condition that quietly affects millions of people every single day, and yet most don't even realize it's the root of their symptoms. It's called leaky gut, and today, we're going to break it down simply what it really is, what causes it, and how you can start healing it naturally. Think of your gut lining as a smart security gate, a highly selective wall that separates your digestive system from your bloodstream. Every single day, your gut decides what gets in and what stays out. It allows nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to pass through while blocking harmful bacteria, toxins, and undigested food particles. But when that lining becomes weak or damaged, the gate starts to leak. Imagine holes forming in that wall, and through those holes, things that should never enter your bloodstream start slipping through. Toxins, bad bacteria, food particles, all bypassing your natural defense system. When this happens, your immune system goes on high alert. It starts attacking these foreign invaders, which triggers widespread inflammation. Over time, this constant immune response drains your energy, affects your mood, clouds your thinking, and disrupts almost every system in your body. That's why leaky gut isn't just a stomach issue. It's a whole body condition that can influence your mind, your skin, your immune system, and even your hormones. So how do you know if your gut is leaking? Your body sends warning signs, but most of us ignore them. You might feel bloated after meals or have frequent stomach discomfort. You may notice irregular bowel movements or alternating between constipation and loose stools. Skin problems like acne, eczema, or random rashes can also be signals from your gut. Maybe you've been feeling mentally foggy, like your brain isn't working at full capacity. Constant fatigue, low motivation, mood swings, anxiety, and even depression can all link back to gut imbalance. And perhaps the most common sign, increasing food sensitivities. Foods you used to eat without a problem now make you bloated, tired, or irritable. So, what's damaging your gut lining? There are several hidden culprits. The first is processed foods and added sugars. These feed harmful bacteria in your intestines, creating an imbalance between good and bad microbes. When bad bacteria dominate, they produce toxins that erode your gut wall and increase inflammation. Next is stress, one of the biggest modern destroyers of gut health. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases cortisol, which slows digestion, reduces stomach acid, and weakens the intestinal barrier. Over time, your gut becomes more permeable, more leaky. Then there are antibiotics and painkillers. While antibiotics are sometimes necessary, they don't just kill harmful bacteria, they wipe out the good ones too, leaving your gut defenseless. Painkillers like ibuprofen and aspirin, when used frequently, can also irritate the gut lining. And don't forget lack of sleep. Your body does most of its repair work at night. If you're not sleeping enough, your gut doesn't get the time it needs to heal and regenerate. The good news is, your gut has an incredible ability to repair itself if you give it the right conditions. Let's talk about how you can start healing it naturally. Step 1. Remove the triggers. Cut down on sugar, fried foods, and processed snacks. These inflame your gut and feed harmful microbes. Try to limit coffee on an empty stomach, as it can irritate the lining. Pay attention to how certain foods make you feel. Your body gives clues. Step 2. Add gut-healing foods. Think of your gut as a garden. You need to nourish the good bacteria so they can grow. Add bone broth, which is rich in collagen and amino acids that help rebuild the gut wall. Eat oats, which are gentle and soothing to your digestive tract. Include fermented foods like Greek yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut. They bring back the good bacteria your gut needs. Sip on ginger tea to reduce inflammation and aid digestion. Step 3. Support your body's natural repair system. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. During deep sleep, your gut cells renew themselves. Manage your stress through slow breathing, meditation, or even a short daily walk. Anything that helps you calm down. And drink warm water first thing in the morning. It gently wakes up your digestive system and flushes out toxins. Healing your gut is not about quick fixes. It's about consistency, small daily habits that build over time. When you commit to taking care of your gut, something amazing happens. Your digestion improves, you feel lighter, your energy levels rise, your mood stabilizes, your skin becomes clearer, and your mind feels sharper and calmer. You begin to feel balanced, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Your gut isn't just about digestion, it's the command center of your health. It communicates with your brain, regulates your immune system, and controls how you feel every single day. So take care of it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your body transforms from the inside out.